Y'all remember when I went to the auction and ended up buying a 2005 Ford Escape for $600, not knowing the miles on it as a non-runner? Here's what happened.
50 car, 600, 125, 125. The producer known as a boatman, he's another foreman. Number 35, 35, could have been 14, but I got 3,000, 31.
Finally got the keys. Let's see how many miles this thing got, because that's gonna help the deal or make the deal worse. So far right now, oh my goodness, it's true. Oh my goodness. I just bought a car for $600 with 44,000 miles. It matches the Carfax, it matches the auto check. All right, I checked the oil. My booster sucks. Let me try another booster, hold on. Yeah, my booster sucks. But yeah, I just picked the thing up, 600 bucks on the 50,000 miles, 44,000 miles. Oh man, one owner. Let's load her up. Okay, so I got it back here at the shop. We got to check 3 things: spark, air, fuel. This is what a Gallo is. It's a gasoline where you can just shoot into the intake. 2 keys, 2 remotes. Jeez. He even got the old Russell and Smith. That's old. He's got a full tank of gas. Running, guys. Once I stop squirting, it's gonna start running. Good day. About to die now. Finding spark plugs and all kinds of crap. So bad. Scarf. Is it? Good day. I want to make sure that I check everything before I start replacing the fuel pump. But this is a fuel pump relay and this is supposed to be the fuse. So let me just check these, make sure they're good. Yeah, it's a bad fuel pump. It's a bad fuel pump.
The next morning.
All right, we're dumping the fuel because this old fuel, we got dropped out the gas tank to change the fuel pump out on the Escape. But this is old fuel, you can smell it. All right, let's see what it does. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna pull it out. I'm gonna pull it out, Fernando, so the exhaust was being here. As suspected, it was a bad fuel pump. Fernando wanted to change the fuel pump out. We had to drain about 15 gallons of gas. We got about 12 out, as much as we could, and put some fresh new gas in there. The pump was bad. Put some additive in it to help get rid of some of the condensation. All gears are changing. So far, so good. It's loud in here. Hold on. All right, so I finished the test drive. Everything seems to drive good in the vehicle. You guys can see me on the freeway with it. The driver's side window does not work. The steering wheel's a little bit crooked. I'm gonna get them in alignments. It needs the windshield wipers. It needs the headliner. Well, just this piece. Everything else is good. This has already been ordered. AC doesn't work. And the radio, for some reason, none of the channels pick up the antenna. The antenna doesn't pick up anything. I hope that should be easy fix. And I think that's it.
Many unbearable hours later.
Okay, time to clean it up and see what it comes out like. So we go with 5,000. Time 5,000.
Oh, yeah.
Plus tax to the license.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give you warranty in the AC, and of course, anything that pops up, you know, I got you. Straight. Cool. I'm gonna finish cleaning it. All right. Now I know I could have got more for this vehicle, and I probably left money on the table. I've seen identical vehicles on Facebook Marketplace selling for $4,500 with about 3 times more the miles of this one. Yeah, I left money on the table, but I've learned not to be greedy. Plus, I went in there with a thought of mine buying this vehicle for them. It wouldn't be right for me to up the price. They've been a long-time customer. They bought in 3 vehicles for me in the past 15 years between her and her husband. It's a good deal for them. It's a good deal for me. Everybody's happy. $44,999. We're about to hit the 50. This is what this Ford Escape many miles had. 45,000 miles is when I sell it to her, because I have to do a test drive. I have to drive this vehicle and make sure that all these codes are good to go before I can get it inspected and sell it.